Back. Let us go through the question. A rigid bar of mass 15 kg is supported symmetrically by three wires, each 2 meter long. Those at each end are of copper and the middle one is of iron. Determine the ratios of their diameters if each is to have the same tension. Uh, so the answer is each wire must support the same load and are of the same length and therefore should undergo the same extension. This in turn means they should undergo the same strain. So the y equals FL divided by delta L into A. Now if we put in the value of A which is phi d square, we get yd square equals K, as FL and delta L are equal for all wires. Y iron is 1.9 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. Y copper is 1.1 Newton to the power 11 Newton per meter square. So D iron divided by D copper is equal to root over Y copper divided by Y iron. If we put in the values of Y copper and Y iron, we get the ratio to be 0.761.